All right, we're gonna show you how to feed the birds. It's really pretty easy. It's just 2 of the 3 feeders out there. Gonna use this right here. Open it up, set it down right there, open this up, and you're just going to fill this. You just fill it near the top. The 2 feeders do not take much more than right about there. Okay, put that back, close, lock it up, and go ahead, go outside. The middle feeder, which is the yellow one, doesn't really need to be filled anymore because it is starting to warm up. So they're not using that one as much as they were during the winter, but basically you're going to push down on this. There's a button here. You're going to push the button, it pops up, and I would suggest that you stick the nozzle inside here, because if you get it outside, like in this clip right here, this thing won't close anymore, because I've had seeds go right in between here and it holds this latch open, and then this will not close. So that's pretty much it. Just fill it to right there. That's good enough. Close it. Same thing on this one, same deal. Push down, open, stick the nozzle in. And that's about as high as you want to go, and that's pretty much it. And that should be set. This one, I think, I'm going to replace this, but you don't have to worry about this yellow one ever. It's just these 2 right here. These are the only 2 that need to be filled. And then this obviously goes back to where it was. And then you're done. That's pretty much it. Okay.